Buddy, happy birthday. You ready to open some presents?
Open your present. You chewing gum? Let him do it. Ooh, he's patient.
He is slow. Whoa. A Snuggie?
Oh, cute. That's a very soft Snuggie.
Oh my goodness, Fisher. Are you going to wear it?
Yes, he can wear it while he watches TV and sits in his bed.
Yay. Put it on. Yay.
Happy birthday!
Yay! It's a Woody Bus Snuggie. Yes.
Oh, how sweet.
How more? We're gonna get one of those.
All right, Fisher, here's another thing.
What?
I'm watching.
I'm going to open it.
What is it? I can't see. I can't see.
You have to wait. It's something movie or something. Oh.
Kung Fu Panda. It's a game for the Wii where you get to kick.
Wow, Fisher. Is that fun?
It's upside down.
Is that fun? You want to try it out?
And here's another one.
What?
Addie, watch out.
Here, I'll get you in it.
A car.
Addison, sit on your bottom.
What?
Cars. Oh, look. Mama.
Look at this side. Look at this side. Look, turn it over. Oh.
Whoa. Oh, no.
Are you okay? What is that?
Happy birthday, Fisher.